The Voyager Golden Record contains sounds and images from Earth, intended for potential extraterrestrial beings to discover. The International Space Station is roughly the size of a football field. The largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons on Mars, is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. The Great Attractor is a mysterious gravitational anomaly pulling galaxies towards it. The youngest known galaxy is Zwicky 18, estimated to be only about 500 million years old. There are 8 confirmed planets in our solar system, but some scientists believe a 9th, Planet 9, may exist beyond Neptune. The Sun's core temperature is about 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in space due to the absence of gravity compressing their spines. The age of the universe is estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old. The sound of the Big Bang, if it could be heard, would be a deep B-flat note. The red color of Mars is due to iron oxide rust on its surface. The heaviest naturally occurring element is uranium, and it can be found in trace amounts throughout the universe. The universe is expanding, and galaxies are moving away from each other at an accelerated rate. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rocky particles and can have highly elliptical orbits around the Sun. The Apollo 17 mission in 1972 marked the last time humans walked on the Moon. The largest known galaxy, IC 1101, is about 50 times the size of the Milky Way. A year on Neptune lasts longer than a year on any other planet in our solar system, lasting about 165 Earth years. The speed of light is the fastest speed at which information or matter can travel, at approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, 186,282 miles per second. The Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune, contains icy objects and dwarf planets like Pluto. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest neighboring galaxy, is about 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. The Sun will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel and expand into a red giant, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth before becoming a white dwarf. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is the most powerful space telescope ever built, designed to study the early universe and distant exoplanets. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles from space that constantly bombard Earth's atmosphere. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest known place in the universe, with temperatures close to absolute zero. The International Space Station is a collaborative effort involving space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. The surface temperature on Mercury can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius during the day, and drop to -290 degrees Fahrenheit, -180 degrees Celsius at night. White holes are theoretical objects in space, considered the opposite of black holes, as they repel matter and do not allow anything to enter. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron and nickel in its core. The term spacesuit was first coined in the 1920s by astronomer and writer Robert Goddard. The tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons on Mars, is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The Great Dark Spot on Neptune disappeared between 1989 and 1994, indicating that the planet's atmosphere is dynamic and constantly changing. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere consisting mainly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen. The largest asteroid in the asteroid belt, Ceres, is also considered a dwarf planet. The edge of the observable universe is estimated to be about 46.5 billion light-years away due to the expansion of the universe. The phenomenon known as gravitational lensing occurs when the gravitational pull of massive objects bends and magnifies light from objects behind them. In the 1960s, scientists discovered the cosmic microwave background (CMB), which provided strong evidence for the Big Bang theory. The term black hole was first used by physicist John Archibald Wheeler in 1967. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience 16 sunrises and sunsets every 24 hours due to the station's orbital speed. The dark patches on the Moon's surface are called lunar maria, formed by ancient volcanic activity. The redshift of distant galaxies is evidence of the expansion of the universe. The Cassini-Huygens mission revealed that Saturn's moon Titan has lakes, rivers, and rainfall, but with liquid methane and ethane instead of water. Dark energy, making up about 68% of the universe, is responsible for the accelerated expansion of the cosmos. The Sun contains about 70% hydrogen, 28% helium, and trace amounts of other elements. The space probe Voyager 1, launched in 1977, carries a golden record with greetings, sounds, and images from Earth. Exoplanets are planets located outside our solar system, and thousands of them have been discovered to date. The tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons on Mars, has a diameter of about 370 miles (600 kilometers). Earth's atmosphere gradually merges with space, becoming thinner and thinner as altitude increases. The term cosmonaut is used for astronauts from Russia and other former Soviet countries. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, approximately 5.88 trillion miles (9.46 trillion kilometers). The Big Bang theory suggests that the universe originated from a singularity and has been expanding ever since, eventually leading to the formation of stars, galaxies, and all that we observe today.